Welcome to episode 2 of our tutorial. If you could remember, in our episode 1 we learned how to digitize buildings, roads from Google Earth and prepare a simple big map. And we promised to give you second tutorial to be able to design the base map that we have prepared. That is what necessitated this particular tutorial. Before you can follow this, you have to understand different file formats, how and also know how to use mapmaker, QGIS and AutoCAD. And we are going to also use this file that we've gotten or created from Google Earth. We are going to use it in Lookmes, in mapmaker, in QGIS and AutoCAD, so that we can carry out our design. Remember that we cannot do our design in TurboFusion. The design can only be done either in mapmaker, either in AutoCAD, and either in QGIS. Any of these ones can help us carry out our design. So TurboFusion is just a base software that we are using to do some kind of transition, move this base data to any of these softwares that we can do the designing inside. And now, before you can follow up, you have to install TurboFusion, mapmaker, Lookmes, and AutoCAD. And also, you have to also understand different file formats, and then you should also have followed the episode 1 of this tutorial. If not, you will not be able to understand very well what we have done. So let's kick start and see. We have to quickly launch our TurboFusion so that we can call our base map initially that we created from Google Earth from episode 1. So we are going to call the base map here. Remember, it's a KML file, but as it stands now, the file type here is JPEG, so you change it to KML. So you select the base map and then open it. Now you have your base map imported into your TurboFusion. Before you can use this, the design, as I said, can be done in three different softwares that will be handling or considering in this particular in our entire duration of our tutorial. So we have Lookmes, mapmaker, and then we have QGIS and we have AutoCAD. Any of these ones can be used to do our design, but in this particular tutorial we are going to concentrate in designing in mapmaker. Mapmaker goes together with Lookmes, and before we can convert this file to an acceptable format in mapmaker, which is DRAG, we have to use Lookmes to convert this KML file. And in doing that, you have to go through a certain process. The process is simple. Just follow me and you will see how it's going to be done. And first of all, you select the base, select the base map you have created, which is already in KML, and go to File, Save Selected As. Then you change the KML to GPS, and then you save it. After that, you now close your TurboFusion or just minimize it, and then go back and open your Lookmes. As you can see, I have my Lookmes open. So you now go to your drawing and go to import, because we've now saved the file into a GPS file. Go to import, then select import GPS, then select. That will take you to the folder. Select browse to the folder where you have kept that particular file, and then now you have this one here. Then you call open. Then already mostly you come and see it selected by line strap, and then you convert. Click convert. Immediately click convert, it will save. Sorry, I have a crash with my Lookmes. Sorry, I have to reland the Lookmes again so that you can follow. And in launching it, you have to go to log in with your user credentials. Then you can now go back to the entire process again. It's loading by this green button. That's what it's showing you. It's still loading. So now we go in here, import GPS. I hope this time that around it will not crash as it did in the first time. I save it on my desktop, then I save it here, and I'm going to convert directly, because see that line was selected. Don't select polygon. These features have not yet been activated in mapmaker. So Now you could see that it's telling me that my file that I just saved has been saved, or I can only pick it at Loopness, Loopness temp in drive C. That's where I can pick my file. So automatically, anytime you do any conversion with Loopness, it takes it direct to drive C, Loopness temp. That's where you can get your file. So now we can go to MapMaker and open MapMaker, and then now launch or call in that particular base data to be converted. It has now converted the file from GPX to DRAG. So you can clearly see, go to right click, then project manager, then go to add layer, and I'm going to browse to that particular place where I saved it. Okay, now as I said, it's in loopness temp in drive C. So I'm in my drive C. I have my loopness, and I'm going to loopness temp. You can clearly see that I have my base data here, and I can call it without any challenge. This is what I have digitized, and with this, it can help me do my design as easy as ABC. Let's see whether we can carry out our design as simple as ABC. These are simple structures. This is a street line, this is a street line, this is a fence wall, this is a fence wall. I'm just going to carry out a simple design. Maybe we would have to end this particular tutorial here, and then um, continue in our next episode that will help us in doing our design. So on this note, we'll end this particular tutorial. Thank you for following. You can log in to my YouTube channel so that you can have constant updates of new videos that I have posted. Thank you.